Hello and welcome to CloudDead's official YouTube channel. Here you will find various videos related to cloud and futuristic technologies like big data, IoT, artificial intelligence, machine learning and security that will help you in getting more equipped with the upcoming technological skills and to enhance your learning skills. In the current video, we'll discuss the topic of Azure Sentinel. Watch our previous videos to know more about the topic. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel by clicking the red button below and then hit the bell icon to receive regular cloud training updates on our channel.
Sentinel, a beauty, right? A beast, I'd say, in terms of SIEM, a very robust, very smart SIEM, which is cloud native, leverages all the capabilities a cloud Azure has to offer, right? And it actually, you can utilize this SIEM Sentinel to actually collect the data, automatically analyze the data, automatically detect the threats from a haystack, right? Now, because of the huge digital estate that we are in part of, it is about finding a particular a small little needle in a haystack problem, right? Right. That's the problem. That much amount of signals that your security operator will be receiving on a regular basis. Sentinel can help him identify important and unique incidents which the security operator then can hunt towards, and it can actually he can actually start investigation on top of it, and from Sentinel itself it can trigger or it can write an automation that can trigger every time going forward if the same incident happens, right? That's Sentinel, which is about three different modules in SC200 that I spoke about in what about 40 seconds, right? So it has a very huge weightage in the examination as well as in the study material as well, right? How will you plan Azure Sentinel Workspace also has a huge leverage or huge one or two questions that may show up from this particular slide is where, hey, you know what, you can have a single tenant setup for your Azure Sentinel. You can have a multi-tenant setup for your sorry, have a single tenant with multiple regional workspaces for Sentinel as well, or even you can have multiple tenant which is marked towards a single enterprise, which may have a tenant may have a single tenant single Azure Sentinel workspace, or the other tenant may have single tenant multiple workspaces for Sentinel, right? All of these capabilities are there for your Sentinel workspace. In which use case you will plan for what kind of option that will have some weightage on your examination. Cloud app security I talked about in the earlier slide, right? This is what Cloud App Security does. Rather, this is what Sentinel also can get the data from Cloud App Security and provide you insights from, right? Your Sentinel can allow you to have threat indicators like the data connectors, which are sending the data to Sentinel. There is analytics, which is one more component of Sentinel, which allows you to analyze the data. There are hunting, where your operator can go and hunt for a particular threat. There are workbook that you can write, which has been provided by Microsoft. It can create number of incidents. You can write notebooks with Sentinel, and it can present a nice little chart while you are trying to investigate in a threat, right? It can these threat indicators can or rather these threat indicators are the observations like URL or file hash or IP address which has known threat like phishing or botnet or malware. It gets investigated by itself, and if you have a remedy associated with it, it gets into action immediately after that. right? So that's about Sentinel. Sentinel plays a very vital role. Sentinel has multiple things or multiple components in itself. There are Sentinel events, there are Sentinel alerts, there are entities that are associated with Sentinel, there are incidents that are there in the Sentinel, and even bookmarks for some of the playbooks which you can work with on Sentinel, right? So that's again, like this slide also emphasizes on the capability and the emphasis that the exam has on the Azure Sentinel. Azure Sentinel is a very important topic to clear this particular examination. You should know in and out everything about Sentinel.
Now that we have completed these topics, you can get the links to the additional resources for preparation in the description box below. To receive timely updates about our upcoming training sessions, study guides, exam prep material, giveaways, and other resources to help you upskill, follow us on our pages on different channels. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video with your friends if you found it useful. To watch the next module, subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to be notified.